If you're doing the same type of project over and over again, building a reusable project template for recurring work is a total game changer. And today, I'm going to show you how to set one up in under 3 minutes. This simple shift can save you hours every week. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll show you the one step most people skip that makes your template actually scalable over time. I've tested the most popular project management tools out there: Notion, Asana, ClickUp, Trello, Airtable, and they all have their pros and cons. But the software we'll be using today strikes the perfect balance between speed, customization, and ease of duplication. If you want to follow along or try it out afterward, there's an exclusive free trial in the description just for viewers of my channel. Let's get started. First, map out your recurring workflow. Don't overthink it. Just list out the typical steps or deliverables you need every single time you run that type of project. Think of it as a checklist you wish you had ready each time you start from scratch. Now in the software, create a new blank project, not for a client or a real task, just a shell. Add your task list, any subtasks, descriptions, deadlines, tags, and even documents or links that usually get repeated. Add any team assignments you already know are consistent, even if it's just assigning a role like editor or client manager. Next, organize your views. Set up the default ones you normally use, like a Kanban board, a calendar view, or timeline. That way, every time you duplicate the template, it already looks how you need it to. This part is so often missed, but it's what makes your template feel truly ready to go. Now name this project something like Template Client Launch or Recurring Project Framework, and archive it so no one accidentally edits it during real work. In most tools, you'll be able to mark it as a template or just duplicate it each time you start a new project. If you're using automations, like sending reminders, tagging a team member, or changing task statuses, this is your moment to build those in. Think of every repetitive manual step you wish was done for you and bake it into the template now. It's 5 minutes now that saves you dozens later. Last tip, version your template over time. Every few months, check if it's still working. If you're skipping steps or constantly editing something after duplicating, adjust the template. Your future self will thank you. The key takeaway? A reusable project template for recurring work doesn't just save time. It removes decision fatigue, helps scale your systems, and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Quick recap. 1. Map out your recurring process. 2. Build a clean shell project in the software. 3. Add tasks, roles, and default views. 4. Save it as a template or duplicate it. 5. Add basic automations. 6. Revisit and evolve the template over time. And don't forget, if you want to try the software I'm using, check the description below for the exclusive free trial. It's only available through my channel, and it's the easiest way to follow along and actually apply what you learned today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.